Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be trying out some simple styles that you can get done on your mini twist, whether it's twist with kinky, passion twist, any braiding hair, or even your natural hair. You can get these styles done. So if you're interested, please stick around. So first things first, you want to go ahead and moisturize your hair. Here I'm just using a mousse, but this is not necessary. I'm doing this because I've had my braids in for a couple of weeks now. So you can just use a mousse, or you can just use a little leave-in conditioner in a spray bottle mixed with water and rehydrate your hair. Style number one is a simple mid part. Everyone knows this style is that go-to style when you're tired, you're lazy, and you don't feel like putting in any effort. Style number two is a simple side part, whether it's a left side part or a right side part, depending on what you want or depending on what suits your face type best. You can go ahead and get this simple style done, just as simple as a middle part. For style number three, we are going to take about 4 rows from our front section of our hair and just kind of twist that up or put that away by putting it in a bun. Then I'm going to take a scrunchie and tie the larger portion of my hair, so that is also out of the way. So once I'm done doing that, I'm going to take those front pieces that I initially separated and tie them at the back of my hair, and then release the bigger section that I used a scrunchie to tie up, and this is the style. Style number 4 is a simple bun, whether it's a low bun or a high bun, just like you would do this style with your natural hair. I start out using a scrunchie to hold the hair together, and then I go ahead to use my shoe strap to lace that up because I want this bun to actually be firm. So when I'm done using the shoe strap, if I feel like it, I can go ahead and use a scrunchie depending on what style I'm going for. But in order for you to get that firm look, you want to use a shoe strap before you go ahead with your scrunchie, and then you can pull out some sideburns or some front pieces, and that's the style. For style number 5, we're going to start out with a middle part, and then you divide that middle part further like you can see in the video. Then you're just going to take that small piece that you sectioned out and flat twist away from your face. It's very easy to flat twist. If you look closely at the video and what I'm doing, basically I'm going under and over, and as you go under with one finger, you take up more hair, under, over, and that's basically it. It's very easy to flat twist. If you have issues flat twisting, you can try this out and see what results you get. So by the time I'm done flat twisting this section, I'm just going to use a hair tie and tie the ends of that section. Then we are going to move on to the bigger section, but for this section we are not exactly starting at the very beginning. Still the same thing for this bigger section. You are going to go ahead and flat twist. You have to have control because this might be difficult, seeing that you would have more hair on this side of your hair. Still the same process, over and under. So once you are done flat twisting that section, you are going to combine both ends and use a hair tie to tie the ends, and then just tuck that in a way, as you can see, and this is the style, guys. Style number 6 is another ponytail, but you want to section out a little portion of your front hair and keep that aside. Then you want to take your scrunchie, preferably a hair tie, for me a shoe tie rather, to make your bun tight like I said earlier, and this is what you're going to get. Then you are just going to loosen up that front section, and this is the style. Style number 7 is a continuation of style number 6. So we're just going to take that front piece that we have and go ahead and make a flat twist on it. You can either flat twist away from your face or towards your face, whichever one you prefer, and then take some bobby pins and secure that down, and this is what the style looks like. Style number 8 is a simple half up half down style. So we're going to take 2/3 of the front section of our hair and use our shoe strap and tie that down and create a tight knot for that section, while the remaining 1/3 of our hair is straight out flat. So this is the style. You can also go ahead and bring out a few pieces from the side and from the front. For style number 9, we are going to be doing a pigtail hairstyle. So I'm just going to take about 4 pieces from that front section and twist that away. Then we're going to take a handful of the front section from both sides and just use 2 to 3 hair pieces and make a knot around the rest of the hair. If you guys can see what I'm doing, so you'd have a better understanding. You're going to do this on both sides and then bring out those 2 pieces, and that's the style. For style number 10, which is my favorite style so far in this tutorial, this hairstyle makes you feel and look like a baby, but somehow at the same time, to me, I feel like this hairstyle also makes you look mature, and that's why I really like this hairstyle. I also like how it looks in general compared to most other hairstyle. So basically for this hairstyle, we're going to take those 2 pigtails and create a bun on each side, and then you can go ahead and use some bobby pins to secure that on both sides, and then you have those side pieces or those front pieces falling in front of your face, and that is basically the hairstyle. For style number 11, it's back to having a middle part. So after making your middle part, we're going to go ahead and braid our hairs. Braid both equal halves of the hair. This might be tricky for some people, seeing that the hairstyle is definitely full, so you want to take your time to gently do this. If you're not conversant with making a braid, you can as well go ahead and make a flat twist. But whether it's making a braid or getting a flat twist, just make sure that while doing that, your hands are firm and the style comes out firm. If not, the style is going to unravel. So once I'm done with that side, I'm just going to use my hair tie to tie the end, and then go ahead and repeat the same process on the other side. And then by the time I'm done with the other side, I'm going to combine both ends together and just use a scrunchie or a hair tie to gather the hair that is left together, and that's the style. For the sideburn girlies, you can also go ahead and take out some pieces to act like the sideburn, or a few pieces from the front section before you start braiding, and that's the style, guys. For our last style for today, we're just going to go ahead and unravel that braid halfway through and use our scrunchie to tie the ends, and this is what the style looks like. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to my channel. Share this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.